Riley and Junction City, it could be easy to think they have tanks, helicopters, and barracks, but Glenn Kinley takes a closer look at a city within a base that the public doesn't always see.
Don Teal has been at Fort Riley for 2 years now, and for him, the post has nearly everything he needs.
It gives an opportunity for single soldiers that live in the barracks a chance to get out of the barracks and experience and meet new people, and also give them volunteer hours and give them opportunities to branch out and stuff that they like.
The post has just about anything you can expect to find in a small town, including a shopping center, a hospital, and a water park.
Some of the things we have here on Fort Riley that most people don't realize are entertainment areas that are available to everyone. If you can come inside the gate, you can come into these facilities. This is one of them, the Warrior Zone.
Fort Riley, Kansas. It's only about a 20-minute drive from Manhattan and the Kansas State campus, yet so many Manhattan residents and K-State students are completely unaware of the opportunities, experiences, and activities the post has to offer.
We're very proud of our museums and our collection, but we also do a considerable number of outreach programs to let the folks in the area know, in the Junction City, Manhattan area, that there are museums out at Fort Riley, and to please come out and see us.
Civilians can come to the Visitor Center to fill out some initial paperwork, but after that, they can check through rather easily each time they visit to take advantage of the facilities.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is people just don't understand that they can actually use Fort Riley for outdoor recreation. A lot of people are surprised when I tell them that.
And there's tons of stuff to do here also at the Warrior Zone. They host barbecues all the time to help soldiers reconnect with one another and meet new people and just branch out and come together.
The Big Red One would love to get more civilian involvement on post to help bring together the Manhattan and Fort Riley communities. In Junction City, I'm Glenn Kinley, Channel 8 News.
For civilians, the Fort Riley Visitor Center is open Monday through Friday from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on weekends 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This weekend, they welcome visitors to the post-wide yard sale.